When you think of lipstick that won't budge, L'Oréal Paris is a name that comes to mind. And today, we're taking a close look at their Infallible Pro Last Two-Step Lipstick in the shade Everlasting Caramel. This product promises 24 hours of transfer-resistant wear with high-intensity color and a moisturizing feel. But does it live up to those claims? Let's find out. This lipstick comes in 2 steps. Step 1 is the high-intensity color that glides on effortlessly, offering a rich, saturated shade with impressive color payoff. It's designed to resist transfer, fading, and bleeding, which is a game changer for anyone tired of constantly reapplying lipstick. Step 2 is the Pro Seal Balm, which locks in the color and adds a layer of hydration, leaving your lips feeling moisturized all day long. Now, I've worn this for several hours to see how well it holds up through everyday activities. From sipping my coffee in the morning to having lunch, this lipstick truly did not budge. It stayed intact even after multiple kisses on my coffee cup, which is exactly what I've been looking for in a long-wear lipstick. The texture was also very comfortable, not drying at all, thanks to that moisturizing balm step. It didn't feel heavy or cakey, which is something I usually worry about with long-wear products. The color itself, Everlasting Caramel, is a beautiful nude-brown shade that has just the right amount of warmth for an everyday look. It's not too dark, not too light, just perfect for anyone looking for a neutral yet polished look. Whether you're at the office or going out for a casual dinner, this shade has versatility. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. The 2-step system is easy to use and effective. You get rich color that stays in place, plus the added hydration with the Pro Seal Balm. The color payoff is impressive. One swipe of the high-intensity color is all you need for bold, vibrant lips. It truly lives up to its transfer-resistant claim. I was amazed at how well it stayed on throughout the day, even after eating and drinking. Comfortable wear. Unlike other long-wear lipsticks that can feel dry, this one kept my lips moisturized without feeling greasy. Cons? The color range could offer a bit more variety. While Everlasting Caramel is stunning, I would have loved to see a broader selection of shades, especially for deeper skin tones. The balm step, while effective, might feel like an extra step for some people who prefer a single-step product. Now, in terms of value for money, this lipstick comes at a mid-range price point. Considering how long-lasting and comfortable it is, I would say it's worth the price. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some decent alternatives that provide similar longevity, though they might not have the same moisturizing finish. When comparing it to other transfer-resistant lipsticks in the market, L'Oréal's formula stands out for its ease of application and the hydrating balm step. Many long-wear formulas can leave your lips feeling dry by the end of the day, but this one manages to keep that moisture balance intact, which is a huge plus. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek, and the twist-up design is practical and easy to use. No fuss, no mess. It feels sturdy enough to toss in your bag without worrying about it opening up. So, is it worth your money? Absolutely. If you're looking for a lipstick that delivers on its long-wear promises, stays put throughout the day, and feels comfortable, then this is a solid option to consider. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. What's your go-to long-wear lipstick? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.